Let's go to the store. Come to the store with me. Drink some water. Good girl. Now we could go. Hold up, gal. Come on. Hey, you ready? Let's do it. Oh, what's up, YouTube? I'm on my way to Lowe's and Home Depot, pick up a few items, and to see if they'll let my dog come in or not. Because somebody told me you could take your dog. Somebody told me you could take your dog into Home Depot and Lowe's. I'm not sure if it's true. And sorry if it sounds a little bit windy. I got my windows down. So sorry about that, but let's go for the ride. Okay, y'all, I'm here at the I'm actually at Lowe's home improvement store. At the lumber department, I need a couple of 2x4s to finish up a project I'm doing. Got my dog with me, and we going up inside the Lowe's right now. Let's do it, gal. Come on. Come on, Blue.
Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy, doggy.
Somebody got lazy or tired. Hey, Gally. Thank you.
Hey, Earl, let me make that Kindle thing.
All right, y'all, I'm at the Home Depot. I got to get some fertilizer for my lawn real quick. Got my dog Gal hanging out with me today. Hey, Gally. We just left from Lowe's home improvement store, so we're going to finish this shopping. Got to get some fertilizer. You ready, mama? Huh? You ready? Let's do it. Let's do it.
Over here on the side.
Come on, Gally. Come on. I think I'm going to use a liquid weed and feed this time, and I'm going with Scott's. So Scott's, if you see this video, make sure you send me a check. Somebody tired. Somebody tired. We getting ready to go, mama. Give me 2 minutes. Sit down. Sit. Good girl.
You're just such a happy little one. You need some water?
I got some on there for her.
Oh, okay.
I brought some bottles.
Look at that tail go.
Wait. Oh, so sweet, your little pumpkin head. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yes. Thank you for coming to see me. Yes, that makes me all better. Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
You too. Come on, Gelly. Come on. Okay, I'm back home. So you see what the dog is doing, right? She's looking out for those cats. Ain't that right, gal? I keep telling you, leave those cats alone. They are your buddy. Or they should be your buddy. Go along there. Come on, gal. Come on, let's go in the house.